we were securing a wildlife corridor in central Belize for jaguars and pumas and for their prey. And this was a corridor that will link already protected blocks of habitat in the north and the south of the country. It's quite a small area, only about 1,000 square kilometres, but it's very, very important because it's the only place at that latitude, all the way from the Atlantic coast of Belize through to the Pacific coast of Guatemala, that still has forest that's suitable for use by jaguars and pumas. What's rather interesting and dangerous about this area is that it's cut through by Belize's main trunk road that goes from Belize City all the way through into Guatemala. And so that creates a block on the passage of animals between the north and the south. But if we can have forest that continues to extend right up to the road borders, then there's a good chance that animals will go across. But they won't continue to do that if there's no forest going all the way up to its verge. And so our project was about securing that forest. Central America is losing its rainforests very rapidly, and Belize is one of the few countries that still has a large proportion left. It's got about 60% of its land as rainforest, and so it's important that it's able to sustain that. And then it's also important that that forest gets integrated into what we call the Mesoamerican biological corridor. As a result of our project, Belize has become one of several countries in Central America and South America now to recognize habitat within their national borders as being part of this Mesoamerican biological corridor. And it is now incorporated into the system plan, which means government level recognition for the corridor. And that government level recognition then initiated a conservation action plan that's ongoing at the moment. And that was inaugurated just in May of this year. And the Minister for Forestry, Fisheries and Sustainable Development was present there at that inauguration. She's also been up in a scoping flight that we funded over the corridor to see for herself that this is one of the most critical areas in Belize for habitat conservation.